Welcome to this technical guide on the Neato Botvac D5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your Neato Botvac D5 isn't holding a charge, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can happen due to a failing battery. Over time, batteries can lose their ability to hold a charge, which means your vacuum won't operate effectively. If left unaddressed, this can lead to a complete failure of the device, leaving you with a non-functional vacuum. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement battery specifically for the Neato Botvac D5. Now, let's get started with the repair. Firstly, ensure your vacuum is unplugged and turned off. Carefully flip the Botvac over to access the bottom. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the cover. Be sure to keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. Now, locate the battery compartment. It should be near the center of the device. You may see a few wires connected to the battery. Take note of how they are connected. Using the flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the battery out of its compartment. When doing this, be cautious not to damage the surrounding components. Once the battery is free, disconnect the wires by gently pulling them off. It's essential to apply even pressure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect the wires exactly as you noted them from the old battery. Press the new battery firmly into the compartment until it clicks into place. After that, reposition the cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure all screws are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten them as this can damage the plastic. Finally, flip your vacuum back over, plug it in and allow it to charge for a few hours. After charging, test the vacuum to see if it holds the charge and operates as expected. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the charging contacts on both the vacuum and the charger. Additionally, avoid leaving the vacuum on the charger for extended periods when it's not in use, as this can shorten battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.